Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Doom Eternal in a unique third-person view. While the game is designed for a first-person experience, a community-made modification allows you to change this. This guide focuses on the PC version, as console versions do not support such extensive modifications. We will walk through the steps to transform your gameplay, offering a fresh perspective on the demon-slaying action. First, you will need to acquire the necessary files. Head over to well-known Doom Eternal modding communities online, where you can find the third-person mod. Make sure to download the most recent version available for compatibility. Additionally, you will need the Doom Eternal mod loader, a separate utility that enables the game to recognize and run these custom modifications. Both are crucial for a successful setup. Once you have both the mod and the loader, the next step is installation. Extract the contents of the downloaded mod archive into a new, easily accessible folder. Then, open the Doom Eternal mod loader application. Within the loader, you will find an option to select and apply your newly downloaded third-person mod. After applying it, simply launch Doom Eternal directly through the mod loader to activate the new perspective. Congratulations! You can now enjoy Doom Eternal from an entirely new third-person perspective. The camera will follow your Slayer, offering a broader view of the intense combat. Keep in mind that since this is a modification, you might encounter minor visual glitches or camera oddities, as the game was originally built for first-person. Experiment with the mod settings to fine-tune your experience and truly immerse yourself in this fresh way to play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.